I forgot that you existed, and I thought that it would kill me, but it didn't. And it was so nice, so peaceful and quiet. I forgot that you existed. And it's new, the shape of your body is blue. The feeling I get and it's true. Oh, it's a cruel summer. It's cool. That's what I tell them, no rules. Unbreakable heaven, but ooh, it's a cruel summer. Can I go where you go? Can we always breathe this close forever and ever and take me out and take me home. You're my, you're my lover. I'm so sick, run as fast as I can. Wondering if I get there quicker if I was a man. Then I'm so sick of them coming at me again. If I was a man, then I'd be the man. I've been the archer. I've been the prey. But who could ever leave me, darling? But who could stay? He got my heart beat, skipping down 16th Avenue. I got, ah, I mean, I think he knows, yeah, I think he knows, I think he knows. It's you and me, there's nothing like this. Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince. We're so sad we paint the town blue. Voted most likely to run away with you. I like shiny things, but I'd marry you with paper rings. That's right, darling. You're the one I want, and I hate accidents, except when we went from France to days. That's right, darling. You're the one I want. I hope I never lose you. Hope it never ends. I'd never walk Cornelia Street again. It's the kind of heartbreak Sam could never mend. I'd never walk Cornelia Street again. Saying goodbye is a death by a thousand cats. Flashbacks waking me up. I get drunk, but it's not enough. The morning comes and you love my baby. I look through the windows of his love, even though we putting them up. Chandeliers stay flickering here, 'cause I can't pretend when okay when it's not. It's death by a thousand cuts. He lost my American smile like a child when our eyes meet, telling up fancy. Took me back to Highgate, met of his best mate, so I guess all the rumors are true. You know I love a London boy, yeah. You know I love a London boy. Ooh, soon you'll get better. Ooh, soon you get better. Ooh, you get better soon. 'Cause you have to. But we might just get away with it. Religion's in your lips, even if it's a false god. We still worship, we might just get away with it. The altar is my hips, even if it's a false god. We still worship this love. We still worship this love. The snakes and stones never broke my bones. So, oh, oh, oh. You need to calm down. You're being too loud. Step on our gowns, we need to calm down. Hey, it's on me in my head. I'm the one who burned us down, but it's not what I meant. Sorry that I hurt you. I don't wanna do this to you. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose this with you. I need to say, it's on me. Just don't go. Meet me in the afterglow. Me- Maybe the other me. Maybe it's a fun of me. Na, 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 na. Maybe that's the fun of me. And I promise that you're never gonna find like me. It's nice to have a friend. Mm-hmm. It's nice to have a friend. Mm-hmm. It's nice to have a friend.